Installing a ceiling fan shouldn't be a hassle, and with the Hampton Bay Morland Smart Ceiling Fan, it's not. Thanks to its QuickFit features, installing this fan is 50% faster than traditional ceiling fans. Let's take a look at how these innovative features make your installation easier than ever. First, the slide-on mounting bracket. No more fumbling with complicated brackets and screws. With this clever design, simply loosen the outlet box screws and easily slide the bracket into place. Then retighten the screws, giving you a secure mount without all the frustration of trying to align screws while standing on a ladder. When it comes to wire connections, the Wago connectors make wiring a breeze. These connectors eliminate the need for twisting wires and wire nuts together, so you can wire the fan up with speed and confidence. Simply lift the lever, insert the wire into the connector, and lock the lever for a secure connection. Next up, the quick install blades. They simply snap into place and are locked in with the spring mechanism, so there's no need for time-consuming screws. Installation has never been this fast or this easy. And when it's time to attach the light kit, you'll love the magnetic light kit. Just connect the safety cable and wire plugs and place the light kit onto the fan. The powerful magnets secure the light kit to the fan without any screws, so you can spend less time assembling and more time enjoying your new fan's sleek design and performance. With these QuickFit features, the Hampton Bay Morland fan is designed to make your life easier, saving you time and hassle during installation. And don't forget, it's a smart fan too, so you can control it with the included remote, with the Hubspace app on your phone, or with your voice once integrated with Alexa or Google Home devices. So why settle for the old, time-consuming way of installing a ceiling fan? Choose the Hampton Bay Morland with QuickFit features and get your fan up and running 50% faster than traditional installations. Available now exclusively at the Home Depot.